Application Life Cycle Management. Topic: Test Planning. What is test plan? Test plan is a detailed document that outlines the object, strategies, timeline, goals, estimations, deadlines, and resources needed for the successful completion of a project. It improves a framework that is designed by QA manager to provide clarity about the necessary tests that you need to verify to ensure the proper function of the software. Why is this plan creation important? Did you know, according to the Department of Commerce, National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, software failure cost the U.S. economy about $59.5 billion US dollars annually, or about 0.6% of the GDP, gross domestic product. You can eliminate one-third of the cost when improved testing, infrastructure, and planning. Event through it may not be able to eliminate errors. Reduction in defects. Identify mitigate effects early on in software life cycle. Improve quality. Indicate the project equipped with a true test plan generally experience reduced development and maintenance expenses. Identifying address issues in the early stage in more economical compared to deadlines with them after the software release. Resource utilization. Data indicates that the presence of the test plan facility improve planning and allocation resources, averting bottleneck and ensuring the efficient execution of it to implementation of effect testing strategy specify the plan place rules in streaming the development process. This leads to quicker time to market. Mitigate risk. A well-structured plan helps in identify the risk earlier in the process. This can be cross-collaboration risks as well, a risk that are internal to the team. Who needs test planning? Test plan is important at artifacts which, when well trapped, can act as an anchor for product development process. However, this person benefits from more and creation. Developer who get insight into a testing scope and requirement, this help them anticipate the tests that will be executed on their code and understand the success criteria for testing. QAS, who create the execute test cases to find bugs and document them. This planning helps them establish testing strategies, allocated resource, and track the overall advancement of the testing process. This test plan functions. Difference between test strategy and test plan. A test strategy is a high-level outline that provides an approach to framework, and testing the test plan is a detailed document that provide guidelines around specific test activity, scope, deliveries, and resource projection for the project. Test plan. A test plan usually comprises version elements that offer in-depth details regarding the testing procedures for a particular software application or system. The essential component of a test plan includes scope, outlines the goals of the specific projects, and provide information about user scenario intended for the testing purposes. The scope may also specify scenarios or issues that will not be addressed by the project if required. Schedules specify the commencement dates and deadlines for tests to provide outcome. Resource allocations specify the allocations of specific tests to individual tester. Environment describe the characteristics, setups, and accessibility of the test environment. Tools specific the tools that will be employed for testing, reporting bugs, and other participants. The essential components of the test plan include defect management, outlines the procedures for reporting bugs, including the designs, recipients, and required accompanying elements for each bugs report. It may include specifications such as whether bugs should be reported with screenshots, textual logs, or videos demonstration with screenshots. Their occurrence in the code. Risk management specify potential risks that could arise during the testing of the software, and the rest of software might face the release without adequate testing. Exact parameters specify the sensation point for testing activity. This section deadlines anticipated. Conclusion. Test planning in software testing is the backbone of the entire project. Without a sufficient, extensive, and well-be crafted plan, QAs are bound to get confused with vague, undefined goals and deadlines. These unnecessarily identifying the cure testing, slowing report, and delaying release cycle.